Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Pajero. Well, not me. Actually, Josh is going to be working on it. And how old are you?
16.
16. So he's 16. He's going to work on brakes. Well, he has his assistant, Milo. Hi, Milo. Say hi. There's Milo. So he's going to work on it because I'm getting old. My knees are aching. So let's start on it. Tire blocks. Loosen up the tire lugs. We're gonna do the left. We're just gonna do the rear, so left and right, and go ahead.
Kailangan ba yung isa-skip yung isa? Or
Hindi,
isa,
loosen, sunod-sunod lang. So he was asking, because he need to do the triangle, the skipping, the pattern. Loosening it up, not really. Just go circular, and if you're anal, yeah, why not? Come on, Josh, you can do it. Put your back on it. That's enough. Service, and I wasn't the one who tightened this, so it's really tight. So what you can do is use leverage. Other side. So after loosening up the lug nuts, let's jack it up. Either put it on the middle and raise it at the same time, or you can use one side and then jack stand it. We have a very big jack, so we're just gonna use the middle one. When I was actually 16, I used to do this. Well, actually younger than 16. And I remember I would ask the old guys in our community, I want to fix the brakes of the Jeep. And they would actually say, no, Jonas, don't do it. It's dangerous. But that's how I started. I just took the risk, but I double check, triple check my work, and this is the time when there was no internet, so we couldn't Google anything. We need to reverse engineer everything. So for the Pajero, if you are going to use, let's say for example you had a flat tire and you're going to use your bottle jack, your jack point is actually this one. Put your battle jack here and lift it from here. Now we are going to use our jack stand here. Ready here. I might as well put the jack stand. So jack stand is actually for your safety. Put the other one, Josh. Oh, counterclockwise. Where's the impact drill? Might as well use the impact drill. Oh. Sige, tuloy mo na.
Sige na. Line ka lang.
Then put it under the Pajero. Put it under. Under, you know, just in case. It's your double safety. Go get a wrench. So your goal is this to flip up. So you're just gonna remove this bolt. I think this is a 17. So anytime you're gonna force something, just use the wrench. No, the other one. And then use the box edge. Use the box.
Oo, di ba?
Yep, going up. So that's gonna be tight. Use leverage again. Get another wrench. Position it like so. And then side.
Yeah.
So use leverage again. More leverage. So you can use this one.
Ano ginawa?
Hook up dito. Hook it up to anything, but never on the shocks. Remove mo na to. Just flip the caliper up. No, not that one.
Ano?
This one.
Ito nga.
No, that's separate.
Oh.
Remove this one. Get something to tie this. Tie it somewhere. Like a bungee cord. On the other side.
Other side?
Yep. There's going to be two because it's going to be clamping.
Oh.
There's the new one. Check if it's the same. Check it. No, put it side by side.
Yeah.
No, the other way. It's the same? Good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then remove this, the dampener, and then put it back on this one. It's not aligned. Oh. What do you mean?
Hindi dapat ganun.
No. Because this is your brake material. This is the material that hits the disc. If you put it this way, you're gonna ruin this one, and you're gonna ruin the disc. So slide it like this. See?
Oh.
And push it in. So the rear, the inner side needs this one because this is the one that makes a noise when the brakes is almost done. So you need to insert this like so and then put it back in.
Hindi ko makita. Ganito dapat ba? Ito yung nasa loob. Mag-shit na ka.
So once the brake is in, so it's simple, right? So all you need to do is to put this back. But can you put it back? Do you think you can put it back? No, it won't fit, right? Because the new one, the old one is this thin and the old one is thicker. So you need to push the piston in so you can accommodate a new brake pads. What you need to do is put this in. This is not the right one because it will bump. Let's get another one. You'll do this to slide this in. Okay, tighten until this goes in.
Come here. Come here.
This shouldn't be spinning because you're not tightening anything.
Kailangan ko hawakan.
Okay, it's done.
Kailangan ko lang.
Loosen it. Put this back in. Slide it a little bit forward.
Forward. Ito.
No, the caliper
Milo.
Forward as in...
towards you. There you go. And then put on the box. And then tighten to 44 foot-pounds. No, done.
Ano yan?
That's done. Didn't you hear the click? So put the tires back and you're done on the right side. No. So, let me show you a technique.
Ano yung gamitin ka para sipan?
Ito yung drill mo. Put it in by hand first. Opposite. Go here. Here. Leave it for now. Do the other side. He's gonna do the other side on his own. Let's see if he can remember anything.
Ayaw.
Okay.
Nasaan yung...
Good job.
Isasagad lang?
Kahit hindi. Kasya naman kahit hindi sagad. There you go. Break done by 16 years old. Job well done. What can you say, Josh?
I'm tired.
You're tired. He's already tired. Show yourself. So, hi. You look like Hitler. Do you know that mechanics in Japan actually wear white, and they wouldn't look like this after their shift. Well, anyways, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Josh, finale.
Peace.
Josh, last thing to do, torque the lug nuts at 92 foot-pounds. So he's starting at 90. You need to assist that one. Opposite. Just gonna do that, and then he's gonna retorque at 95 and then torque at 100. Well, I mentioned that we're supposed to be torquing at 92, but because he's using an extension, so you need to add because torque is eaten up by the extension. So before you let somebody drive off with the new brakes, make sure to pump your brakes, or else they will be driving without any brakes. There you go.